Of all the things we were expecting on this trip, snow in New Mexico was not one of them. Fortunately, we did have this little space heater that did a great job, kept the dog nice and toasty, as you can see. It plugs in to the socket. It does run at 350 watts, but you set the temperature. We set it for 70 there. Still snowing outside, and look at the thermometer on the inside of the van, and you can see in cabin is 70 degrees. So we're nice and toasty on the inside, even though it does look like a bit of a whiteout on the back of the camper. So we're staying warm and looking forward to the sunshine.